Well, Bring Your Own Device, or BYOD programs, are programs whereby employers allow employees to use their own personal equipment to access company data or information that would otherwise only be available on the company's secured networks and servers. Allowing employees to use their own personal devices poses increased security risks for proprietary and trade secret information, whereas when a company issues its own device, it has the power to basically control everything about the device. It can install security measures to protect data, to monitor data, and to even remove data from the devices if necessary. When you try and use one of those policies to use on an employee-owned device, the policies don't transfer very well because it's a mixed use.
One of the important things for any company is to protect its proprietary information and trade secrets. And by definition, a trade secret has to be secret. And in most jurisdictions, that's interpreted as the company having to take reasonable steps to prevent disclosure. And the problem sometimes with giving an employee access to proprietary information on their own device is that it becomes more difficult to establish that the company has taken reasonable steps to protect the trade secret.
I think the takeaway here is that when it comes to BYOD policies and programs, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. Employers really need to carefully consider the pros and cons of adopting such a policy. They need to look at their operational capabilities and see what they can do, what measures they can take to protect their information, and also balance that against the sometimes competing privacy rights of employees. And then, after all that is done, translate that into a written policy that is clear and concise.